In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see devices that are connected to your Gmail account. You can simply see and remove devices that are logged into your Google account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Gmail. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. Tap on this first option and select your Info, Privacy, and Security. On this page, slide to the option of Security. Then you will scroll down into the section of your devices right here. Tap on Manage All Devices. You will see devices that are signed into your Google account. These include active devices and devices that were signed into your Gmail account for the last 28 days. That's how easy it is to see devices that are signed into your Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.